this video, I'm going to demonstrate a model of the strategy mini whiteboard redrafting. If you're experiencing problems, such as students not being able to self-correct using success criteria, then this strategy might be a useful one. You might want to copy the strategy, or you might want to adapt it for your own context. If you do adapt it, do remember to try to maintain the steps that we think make this strategy effective. These are: ask students to complete a short task or question on their mini whiteboards. This could be a sentence, a maths solution, a definition, or even a short explanation. After students complete their initial response, reveal a model answer or key success criteria. This could be teacher-generated or co-constructed. Invite students to edit or rewrite their original response based on what they've just learned. This encourages reflection, self-correction and attention to detail. And then check a few redrafted boards. Celebrate improvements and highlight what was added, corrected or improved. You can cold call, ask students to compare versions or display before and after examples. I'm now going to model what this might look like in a classroom. Year 5 pupils are learning to describe composition and mood in a landscape painting. The teacher wants students to use precise vocabulary such as foreground, background, contrast, tone and perspective. OK everyone, look at this painting on the board, Stormy Sea by Turner. On your whiteboards, write 2 sentences describing what you see in the picture. Try to explain what stands out and how it makes you feel. Go. OK, here's an example of a strong description. The artist uses dark tones in the background to create a dramatic sky. The crashing waves in the foreground make the viewer feel tense and unsettled. Notice how this example uses art vocab like foreground, background, tone and mood. These are the ingredients of a powerful description. Now take a look at what you wrote. Can you improve it by adding at least one piece of art-specific vocab or a word that tells us how the painting makes you feel? Let's look at Maria's redraft. The swirling waves in the foreground are full of movement, making the storm feel powerful and dangerous. That's a big improvement. You used foreground and an emotion word. Well done. OK, show me your boards. Hold them up. Let's celebrate how many of us added mood words or art vocabulary. Great job, everyone. So, you can see that this approach helps students reflect, refine and rehearse the language of the subject while allowing the teacher to spot misconceptions and celebrate growth. The strategy reinforces feedback literacy and encourages growth mindset and helps us as teachers see which students can apply guidance independently.